update. I did fix, as you guys seen, I fixed that. I had a dent here. It was a little bit of pitting here, so I kind of, I sanded it down, applied some body filler and then some glazing putty. Did the same over there. I worked on so far sanding all this, taking everything off from around the trunk. I still have to kind of address this corner here and that corner there. It's just very tight, but I've been addressing everything else. I did address the driver's side quarter panel. I worked on the driver's side door. I ran out of shielding gas, but I'm going to weld this, and I think one more here. I did sand and took the emblem off here. I'm gonna look on the other side. I'm gonna probably weld the fender, these three little the three holes where the emblem goes. I'm not sure I'm gonna use that. I started with a red scotch pad. I started to scuff all this and trying to make the most progress I can so I can get ready to paint. Here's the yellow one. I did get it running correctly. Still gotta wire up the fans, but I was messing with the tune. I do have it idling just fine, but my main focus right now is to try to get the ball rolling for this one here, man. I want to at least get it base coated. I'm gonna paint it jet black, and I don't want to do a single stage, as they do say it's easier and it's more forgiving, but I'm not too sure because I'm not a body person. But I've been searching online. If anyone knows Sherwin-Williams around here, they do sell the jet black, but it's extremely, just the base coat is $350 plus the clear coat. I'm not too sure if anyone has any good brands or any brand that they have good experience that's not as expensive. If you would like, you can, leave it in a comment. But yeah, I did start sanding the roof. I have to take the T-tops off. I have to take the T-top off. I ordered some masking tape and masking paper. I started sanding that side. I want to sand the roof down. It was kind of like, fading. Not the worst, but I want to make sure I address all that. All these little spots right here. Gotta sand all this out. So yeah, that'll be the next step to finish the roof and get everything masked up.